Okay, so I just came back into my office from class, and I had another idea for a subset since we were just in class and we divided it into groups. So let's go ahead and write that out. Hopefully, again, this helps you connect with what a subset is. So we have our big set S, and again, there are well, I think in class today we had 19 students. So I can write, and I'll just call this, let's see, let's maybe use G1 for group 1, G2 for group 2, G3, and G4. Okay, so here is a set, and there's sets, right, within this subset, right? There's people in these big sets, these groups. So if we write these out, so G1, so for example, group 1, and I'll just write the first names. So Imani, Jasmine, Sarah, and Alize, that was group 1. Group 2 was David, Jennifer, Jenna, and Cassandra. Group 3, right? So again, this is a subset, right, of S. And again, I'll write some more for notation. G3, group 3 was, do we have two Davids? Hopefully I didn't write David twice, but David, oh, I think David was a quadruplet. Hopefully I'm not wrong yet. Christian, Brittany, and Taylor. And G4 was Maria, Danny, and we have Jeff, and we also have Caleb. Okay, so we have, well, actually, well, let me write one more. Sorry, I'm getting excited. G5 equals, so the last group was Zach, Julian, Lydia, who wasn't here the first day, so welcome Lydia if you guys see her in class, and also Gabrielle. Ooh, this gives me another idea actually. Okay, so these are, so G1, G2, G3, G4, and G5 are all subsets of S. So let me make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so there's our sets and subsets. So I can say G1 is a proper subset of S, right? G2 is also a proper subset of S. G3 is it's a subset, but specifically, we know it's not equal to each other, is a proper subset. G4, group 4 is a proper subset, and G5 is a proper subset. Okay, one other thing I wanted to mention, it was this group, group 4, so in the back on the right hand side, I noticed Jeff and Caleb were working together, and Maria and Danny were working together, so not all four together, which is fine as long as you're working. But that reminded me that, I mean, there's another subset within the set. So I noticed Jeff and Caleb and Maria and Danny. So if I write, let's see, so Maria and, that's a D, that's Danny, right? That's another subset, right? A subset within another set is G4 is a subset of G4, and Jeff and Caleb, right? Those two members or elements are, let me just get my white here, are also a subset of G4. We can say, let's see, well, let's see, let me write, okay, Maria and Danny. So just again, practicing notation. They are not, this set, right? It's not a subset of, for example, I don't know, G2, just because, right? Maria and Danny are not in group 2, right? They don't belong in group 2. So that's one way of writing it. Let's see, there was something else maybe I wanted to point out. I think that's it. Again, I'm just trying to connect things in class. It just makes this easier. Ooh. Okay, one last thing, I promise. There's, cardinality. The cardinality of G1 is 4, right? There's 4 members in that group. The cardinality of G2 is also 4. Cardinality of G3 is 4, right? And dot, 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 right? They're all the same. Each group had 4 members. And that's pretty much, okay, I can keep going, but I'm getting too excited. Okay, I'm just going to hang on. Okay, hopefully that helps. Again, I'm more than happy to answer a question. Just come to my office. I'm here to help.